Let's be honest, parallel parking is the ultimate driving boss fight. You can ace a written test, drift through roundabouts like a pro, but when it comes to squeezing your car between two others on a busy street, suddenly it feels like you're defusing a bomb. Don't worry. With a bit of practice and this step-by-step guide, you'll park like a pro, and maybe even impress that one friend who always just circles the block instead. To perform parallel parking, follow these steps. Find a parking spot that is at least 1.5 to 2 meters longer than your car. Signal your intention to park by turning on your indicator. Stop next to the car in front of the parking space, leaving about half a meter between the vehicles. Try to position your car so that the rear axle is aligned with the parked car on the right. Shift the car into reverse and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Slowly begin to reverse, looking over your shoulder and using the side mirrors. When you see the right headlight and the full front bumper of the car behind you in your left side mirror, pause for a moment. Then straighten the steering wheel and continue to reverse carefully until your left rear wheel aligns with the left headlight of the car behind you, or the front of your car passes the rear bumper of the first car. Then turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and continue reversing until your vehicle is aligned with the curb and parallel to the other cars. Straighten the steering wheel and move slightly forward or backward to center the car within the parking space. And there you have it, the art of parallel parking decoded. It might seem intimidating at first, especially with an audience of impatient drivers behind you, but with a little practice, you'll be sliding into tight spots like it's second nature. Just remember, slow and steady wins the parking space. And no, hitting the curb doesn't mean you failed at life. You've got this.